That moment when you randomly feel depressed for no apparent reason may indicate that you're missing someone. A little jealousy in a relationship is healthy because knowing someone is afraid to lose you always feels nice. Orange has been shown to help alleviate feelings of stress. That's why doctors advise people to eat an orange before heading to the office to avoid fatigue. When a person cries tears of happiness, the first tear comes from the right eye, while the tear of sorrow or pain comes from the left eye first. A million men can tell a woman she is beautiful, but the only time she'll listen is when it's said by the man she loves. Sometimes you have to close doors that no longer lead you to peace. When you love yourself, you glow from the inside. You attract people who love, respect, and appreciate your energy. Girls who mature early in life are more likely to be delinquent and emotionally aggressive later in life. Sleeping with a pillow between your legs may help reduce back and hip pain, improve posture, and keep your spine aligned. Always remember, no matter how useless you feel, you are someone's reason to smile. The saddest part in life is saying goodbye to someone you wish to spend a lifetime. The worst feeling is when you don't want to give up on someone, but you know you have to. Love yourself unconditionally, just as you love those closest to you, despite their faults. Falling in love at first sight is true according to psychologists. Marrying your best friend eliminates the risk of divorce by over 70%. These marriages are more likely to last a lifetime. A woman will fight until she can't anymore. Once she walks away, you'll never see her again. Sometimes giving up is the only option you have, because you can't beg someone to treat you the way you treat them. When you truly love someone, it becomes very difficult to leave them. People will come back into your life after they get disappointed by people they thought were better than you. Your mind is a powerful weapon. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will begin to change. No one will come for help. It's only you who have to fight and struggle to convert your bad time into a good one. Be serious about your dream, because your own distractions are going to kill them. If you see a ghost in a dream, this means you have to be alert if you start new friendship or relationship. People with sarcastic personalities are more honest with their friends. If someone doesn't value you, they deserve to lose you. It's that simple. The average woman smiles 60 times a day. Research shows that a woman is more drawn to a person when she is not sure how much he loves her. Smarter people tend to make sarcastic comments quicker than people who aren't as smart. A study found that 2 hours of silence per day promotes cell development in the hippocampus region of the brain, where memories are. The color blue has been shown to cause the brain to release relaxing hormones. Psychology says, when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. When you focus on the possibilities, you'll have more opportunities. Protecting your peace and mental health is the loudest statement of self-worth. A man with dreams needs a woman who believes. Attractive people are perceived as more intelligent, even if they are not. According to psychology, the person who tries to keep everyone happy often ends up feeling the loneliest. No matter how good you are worthless if you are in the wrong place. Sometimes it's okay to be silent and let them assume that you are wrong. The hardest thing in life is to learn to keep quiet even when you have millions of words to say. One of the hardest decisions you'll ever face in life is choosing whether to walk away or try harder. The most painful goodbyes are the ones that are left unsaid and never explained. Sometimes the more you know about someone, the more you lose interest in them. People who masturbate end up feeling guilty about masturbating because of cultural, spiritual, or religious beliefs. People start missing you the most when they realize they can't replace you. Never lose confidence. If it was easy, everyone would do it. Time speaks only one language. If you value me today, I will value you tomorrow. If you reveal your secrets to the wind, you should not blame the wind for revealing them to the trees. If someone hates you without any reason, then give them a reason.